Hi, pronunciation learners. Polishing your pronunciation is extremely important to improve your English level. Let's practice together the pronunciation of these 8 words that start with letter L in this episode. Let's begin. Lieutenant, lieutenant, lugubrious, loquacious, loquacity, lollapalooza, limousine, lethargy, and the last word is lethargic. The first word is pronounced in 2 ways. It's lieutenant or lieutenant. Both are correct. And the lieutenant is a rank in the armed service. Or lieutenant. The second syllable should be stressed ta. We say lieutenant or lieutenant. It's a 3-syllable noun. Lieutenant or lieutenant. The second word is an adjective, and this is how we say and utter this word. Lugubrious. Lugubrious. It's a 4-syllable word. The second syllable gu or long o should be stressed. We say lugubrious, and lugubrious means very miserable and mournful. That's the meaning of lugubrious. The third word is loquacious, and being loquacious is being talkative. We have 2 nouns here. The first word is an adjective, loquacious, and the fourth word is the noun, loquacity. But let's go back to loquacious. Loquacious. It's a 3-vowel sound word. Que, the second syllable, should be stressed. We say loquacious, which means talkative. The fourth word is a noun, loquacity. The same thing, the second syllable, que, should be stressed. Loquacity. It's a 4-syllable noun, and the second syllable, que, should be stressed. We say loquacity. I repeat, lieutenant, lieutenant, lugubrious, loquacious, loquacity. Step by step. Word number 5 is spelled in 2 ways. It's a bizarre word. Listen closely. Lollapalooza. Lollapalooza contains 2 stresses. The secondary stress is the first syllable, lo, and the main stressed syllable is lu with long or long u, which means the penultimate before the last syllable. We should put the main stress there. We say lollapalooza. It's spelled in 2 ways, and these 2 ways are correct. Lollapalooza, or the second spelled, especially North America, Lapalooza. Pronounce it in the same way we say lollapalooza. Lollapalooza, it's a 5-syllable noun. And syllable lu should be stressed. We say lollapalooza. What's lollapalooza? Any idea? It means impressive, attractive person. Say of fanciful formation. That's lollapalooza. I repeat, lieutenant, lieutenant, lugubrious, loquacious, loquacity, lollapalooza. Word number 6 is limousine. Limousine is a 3-syllable word. Limousine. The second, or rather the third syllable should be stressed. Zine. We say limousine, which means a large car, the famous large car. Limousine. And word number 7 is lethargy. As a noun, this is a 3-syllable word, lethargy. The first syllable should be stressed. Le. We say lethargy. And the adjective is lethargic. Lethargic is it has the stressed syllable on the second syllable, tha with long a. We say lethargic. Lethargic. It's also a 3-syllable adjective. The second syllable, tha, should be stressed. We say lethargic. And when we say lethargy, we mean feeling of unwillingness to do anything. He is in a lethargic mood or in a lethargic manner. Now I practice again the whole words from the beginning. Lieutenant or lieutenant, lugubrious, loquacious, loquacity, lollapalooza, limousine, lethargy, lethargic, lethargic, lethargy, limousine, lollapalooza, loquacity, loquacious, lugubrious, lieutenant, and lieutenant. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.